Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their headphones to Samsung TVs? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power TV on. Turn on your Samsung TV and ensure it's at the home screen. Step 2. Open Settings. Using the remote, navigate to the Settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Step 3. Select Sound. Go to All Settings and then select the Sound option. Step 4. Find Bluetooth. Under Sound, choose Sound Output and then navigate to Bluetooth speaker list. Step 5. Pair headphones. Activate pairing mode on your headphones and select them from the TV's Bluetooth list to connect. By following these simple steps, your headphones should now be successfully connected to your Samsung TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.